OpenAI has announced the release of GPT-4.5, the latest iteration of its large language model, positioning it as their most advanced and knowledgeable model to date. Currently available as a research preview for ChatGPT Pro users and developers, GPT-4.5 emphasizes advancements in unsupervised learning, leading to improved word knowledge, intuition, and a reduction in inaccuracies. Key improvements include more natural and nuanced interactions, deeper contextual understanding, and enhanced alignment with human intent. These enhancements make GPT 4.5 particularly useful for tasks such as writing, programming, and complex problem solving. Performance metrics indicate that GPT 4.5 outperforms previous models in accuracy and exhibits the lowest rate of hallucinations or inaccurate outputs. Human evaluations also rated the model higher in terms of warmth, intuitiveness, and emotional nuance. The development of GPT 4.5 involved a new training mechanism and advancements in post-training infrastructure, ensuring both performance and safety. Technical details include the use of low-precision training and pre-training across multiple data centers, along with the construction of new inference systems for faster interactions. GPT 4.5 demonstrates significant improvements on traditional language model benchmarks, particularly in reasoning and coding evaluations. Following its initial release to ChatGPT Pro users, OpenAI plans to extend access to Team, Plus, EDU, and Enterprise users. Future efforts will focus on simplifying the user experience and exploring new applications of the model.